Way back in 1971, when the first emails were sent, when Alan Shepard hit a golf ball on the moon. That was the year of another groundbreaking innovation, the invention of polyurethane TyrFil. It all began with a small wheelbarrow tire and one big question: can you fix this flat? That challenge led our chemists to a breakthrough that transformed the OTR tire industry, TyrFil flatproofing. Since then, Carlisle TyrFil has built a decades-long legacy of innovation and advancement. While the world embraced the revolution of personal computing, the dot-com boom, and the iPhone, we stayed focused on one thing: making off-the-road tires safer, stronger, and flat-free. Today, TyrFil remains the industry's go-to solution for flatproofing. Across industries and continents, TyrFil protects equipment and operators in the world's toughest environments where flat tires simply aren't an option. What's behind our growth and customer loyalty? It starts with a proud brand heritage. We're backed by the strength of Carlisle companies and a manufacturing legacy that goes back more than a century. 4 bedrock principles keep us grounded securely while keeping our customers rolling. Experience ensures excellence. With more than 500 years of combined industry experience, Carlisle TyrFil has a singular depth of knowledge and expertise. No other company can match our track record of performance and technical support. Stability supports strength. TyrFil customers benefit from Carlisle's robust, domestically sourced supply chain and the confidence that comes with more than 55 years of consistent product performance, global manufacturing capacity, and expert technical support. Innovation inspires insight. One of many examples of how far we've come since 1971 is our pump technology. What started as a system for dispensing virgin fill has evolved into the advanced, patented AutoFill Gen 2, which is designed to mix recycled and virgin materials with speed, accuracy, and sustainability in mind. Sustainability spurs solutions. At Carlisle TyrFil, sustainability isn't a side note. It's in our DNA. From reducing petrochemicals in our formulations to pioneering TyrFil recycling technology, we're proving that high performance and environmental responsibility can roll together. As foundational as these principles are, we know our real strength lies in our people.
The number one benefit to Carlisle TyrFil is the people behind the name, and it's the key difference between us and our competitors out there. They've been established for a long time, they're very passionate about what we do, and they represent the best of what we do.
Tires have come a long way since the days of wooden wagon wheels. Carlisle TyrFil is proud to keep those wheels turning safely, reliably, and efficiently. Backed by experience, built for stability, driven by innovation, and grounded in sustainability. And behind it all, a team committed to going the distance. You can count on Carlisle TyrFil to keep the world rolling.